This is one of the Cecilio musical instruments, the violin. If you have children that want to learn how to play the violin, or maybe you want to teach your child something special about musical instruments, this is a great way to start. Let's see what it looks like. It comes in this beautiful case. And your first violin book. The first violin book. It doesn't get any easier. The contents of this book, you have 57 different audio contents. Beautiful case. Durable handle. And straps to hold your violin on your body. The Velcro covering right here can keep the zippers nice and secure. And you have 28 different lessons. The front of it has an extra pouch that opens so you can store some of your violin tools. It's nice and deep. It covers this entire area. Let's see what it looks like inside. Wow. You have the nice foam padded covering to keep your violin looking nice and pretty, and to keep it from getting scratched. And you have nice Velcro straps to keep your violin in its case. When you first get your violin, you have it nice and protected. You also get the chromatic tuner metronome, the cleaning polishing cloths. The cloths are very pretty, just like your violin. It also comes with 2 bows.